Hey guys, how's it going? So this is an updated video on Aurora. Why am I making a video on Aurora? Simply because I know a lot of people will watch it. And a lot of people are probably wondering what's going on, and they're probably thinking, should I sell? Should I buy? What should I do? I'm confused. You should be. It is a complicated matter. You have to really understand you really gotta understand Aurora as a business, and you gotta really understand, what a reverse split means and what we'll do, and like you gotta really have a good understanding of the market. And I came to the realization there's a very small amount of people in this world that truly understand the stock market. And those who do are probably making a lot of money right now. So anybody that truly understands the stock market is probably making a killing, making a really nice living for themselves. But there is very little people out there like that, and I'm not one of them. I'm trying to get there, but I'm not one of them. There's still a lot of things I probably don't understand about the stock market. But I'm learning, and I know Aurora like the back of my hand because I've been following this company for a long time. So anyway, right now that they have a market cap of $716 million, that's not bad. That's not bad. I mean, it could go down lower. I'm not saying it can't. It won't. I don't know how low it will go. It could go to $1 US again, which I would be loading up on because I don't think they're going to have another reverse split at $1 US, but I could be wrong. They could keep diluting, and then it'll drop back down to $1, do another reverse split, keep diluting, and just keep repeating it until they dig themselves out of the hole. That is a possibility. I don't think that's going to be the scenario, but we'll see though. We don't know what the future holds, and they're still raising another $350 million. And they are going to further dilute their stock. So for the short term, I think the stock is probably going to bounce. But for the long term, I don't know where the bottom is for Aurora. I think that it will go down, and I think that we will eventually see $5 US. But in the short term, when earnings come out, I think the stock will bounce up. At least, maybe a couple bucks after earnings, if earnings are really good. And then after that, there'll probably be a sell-off again, simply because there is no moat for Aurora right now. It's in survival mode. There's still a lot of unknowns for Aurora and the MJ industry in general. Until the United States become federally legal, I think Aurora won't have another boom. But once the United States become federally legal, I think Aurora will go back and make, investors a lot of money, especially if you can buy it right. But that's only my opinion. They could go bankrupt. There's multiple things can go wrong. But I will keep you guys updated, especially when the earnings come out. I will digest the earning, and I will figure out what is going on with Aurora. I've listened to every conference call. I listened to every earnings report. There's still a chance Aurora can turn this around, even with this reverse split. That's what I truly believe. But that's my opinion, and I'm telling you guys that there's still a possibility that this stock can go down even further. So absolutely be careful. I would not gamble on Aurora as a long-term investment. Short-term play, maybe. Long-term, probably not yet, because I still feel like there's more pain to come for Aurora. That's my opinion. We'll see what happens. So if you appreciate this video, give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel grow. So right now, Aurora is under Aphria, which makes it dangerous because Aphria used to act as the backstop for Aurora. And now Aphria acts as a resistance for Aurora. So if Aurora did extremely well on the earnings report, they might push above Aphria's market cap. But I think Aphria is going down further, in my opinion. I think Aphria and Aurora are both going down further. That's my opinion. We'll see what happens. But if you could catch the bottom of these MJ stocks and you actually find a winner, I think, you know, once the United States becomes legal, you guys can make 1,000% return on some of these investments. But that's only my opinion. I don't know for sure. You know, there's nothing in this market is for sure. Kron is probably pretty safe, and Kron would act as the backstop for Aurora reaching $1.8 billion. I don't think Aurora would ever surpass Kron in market cap unless there was some major catalyst, like a new CEO coming in that everybody thinks is awesome. That could skyrocket the stock. I mean Aurora stock to pass Kronos if they get the right CEO in. But you know, I will be making a video on the Aurora CEO over the weekend, so look forward to that. Starbucks. Okay, alright. Okay, so this is on something that is totally different. Totally different. So today, I went to Starbucks near my area. I checked out 2 locations. Both of them are closed. And we are in May 12th right now in Edmonton. I think, you know, around the world it's like that. There's a lot of businesses that are still closed all around the United States. Sure, the economy has opened up again, but some locations like dentists, you know, non-essential, like some restaurants are closed. Starbucks was closed, at least the 2 locations I checked out, because I wanted to buy some Beyond Meat patty, a Beyond Meat sandwich and a regular sandwich, and I wanted to compare the taste of the 2. But Starbucks in Canada are closed right now and kind of sucks. Beyond Meat, you know, today had a pullback, and right now after hours it's down $1.18. Not too much to say about that. The SPY is down $1.58. So I think the reason why Beyond Meat sold off is because if we look at the chart of the SPY, it started the day pretty good, and then near the end of the day it started to sell off. What happened to Beyond Meat? Same scenario. You know, it started the day off great, like awesome, better than expected, and then near the end of the day when the SPY sold off, what happened? Beyond Meat sold off. Like I said, if the stock market crashes, Beyond Meat stock will crash with the market. So we'll see what happens. And Tesla was the same thing. When the SPY sold off near the end of the day, Tesla sold off. But right now, Tesla and Beyond Meat are still bullish. But if the SPY continues to fall, I think the stock market would carry the entire market with it. You know, that's my opinion. Canopy Growth is down 4 cents after hours, down 20 cents. 5.47 billion is probably the last stop. If Aurora ever surpassed 5.47 billion, they would be considered the #1 company in the world. But you know, that's, you know, from turning it around is, I think it's possible for Aurora to turn it around if Nelson Peltz is still helping them. Especially if they have some awesome plans in the works right now. You know, the market right now is still red. But yeah. Anyways, I was going to talk about season 3 of Billions, but I think I can make a new video on that because this has already been long enough. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Oh, okay, wait. I guess I do have some time to talk about Billions. So, Billions. I'm on season 3 of Billions. And I think season 3 is really, really good. But that's my opinion. I think they set up season 4 to be really, really good, because right now there's a lot of things that are connected, and just, it's pretty awesome how the story is developing in Billions. The first season was kind of boring. Second season was more interesting. Third season was better than second season. And then fourth season is setting up to be freaking awesome, and I can't wait to watch the fourth season. And I just wanted to share my thoughts on it. Anyways, that's it for my video. Wow, almost 10 minutes. Pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up, it helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye!